Cryptopians to Total Crypto Clothing, we would like to say thank you for even taking interest in our new startup. We branch from a YouTube channel which updates you on all of the news that can affect your portfolio, either immediately or down the line in the crypto space. I would like you to take a moment out of your day to watch this video and see a few pieces of clothing that we've been working on. I would like to start off by saying we are a very serious small group, but our work ethic is unmatched. Stating that, let's get into the line. The first piece, we have a top and leggings workout fit with the Total Crypto Update brand, expanded in a color combination that can make you stand out from the rest. This is a very comfortable expandable piece to add to your exercise wardrobe. Very breathable material that expands and contracts to fit seamlessly around your body. The next piece I would like to show is a basic casual everyday t-shirt made for men or women. We do provide different colors, with different combinations of the actual t-shirt style. This basic t-shirt can go with just about anything in your closet, and is second to none in how comfortable it feels. For the last piece of the presentation, and I will admit this is one of my favorite pieces in this video. This piece is very cozy, suitable for comfort when traveling, a trip to the movies, or in the comfort of your own home. This piece is a Total Crypto Update sweatsuit, that's thick in material but light and very enjoyable. Just think of the endless amount of comfort you will receive with this suit. The comfort is limitless and available in all Total Crypto Update logo colors. Thank you for watching. Release dates are set to December 1st, where we will release the rest of the Total Crypto clothing line, but before that we will launch the website. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and Discord. We post actively every day, and our admin is very responsive. For any pre-orders, please contact us by our email, totalcryptoupdate@gmail.com. Thank you Cryptopians, good day, good night, and goodbye.